Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have fish sandwich or fish and chips. Fish with fries.
Fish and chips. You know how you? Family.
Can I soda, my love?
There you go.
My ginger ale?
Family. Let me tell you something. I'm just gonna eat today. Real talk. I'm tired. So first anyone to talk.
And I thought you said you're gonna say.
I'm not
And I thought you said you're gonna say.
Family.
Say what you say you're gonna say to the family member.
Family, me not chat to them or you. That me I tell them or you. There you go.
Thank you. Guys, listen, don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video. Remember, we're not gonna get anywhere if you're not sharing it, if you're not liking it, and subscribing to the channel. We know you guys like what we're doing over here. Subscribe.
Look at that fish sandwich. Look at that. Look at that, family. Oh, you put all that stuff in there already? Oh, that's nice. You know I like my sandwich sloppy. Look at that, family. Family, I'm thinking about. Oops. I'm thinking about getting a high top to make first lady braid my hair for me. Comment down. That look good. Wow. You know my bite.
Nope. Not getting none.
What you think about that? You think I should grow a high top and make first lady braid it for me? Let me know.
Oh.
Look good.
I hope you like it.
I don't like nothing. I love it. What is the swine?
May I just tell me know? I forget. Probably. Who knows?
This is not catfish, family.
It's not catfish.
Oh.
I couldn't find any.
So I'm drinking today.
Wow.
Comment down if you ever drank this before. The right name is right here. Comment down. Let me know if you have drank this before.
You tried it before?
Yeah.
Oh.
You never drank it before? But the expense I buy at the dollar store.
Oh, I never see you drink it before.
No, you boil for it. Yeah, I said, what's your name? Boil it. That's why I want to try it.
Oh.
Hold me and help. Hold.
Oh. So what you guys been up to?
Wow.
Where you go to, what is it called? That place, Tom? The place, not Hooks.
Wow.
We went to Orlando, wherever was it, Tallahassee? What's it called?
Turkeys. What are you talking about?
And I got the fish there, the catfish.
Oh, Long John Silver.
No, not Long John Silver.
Yeah, I know what we're talking about.
Captain D's.
Captain Lee. That's a Long John. Where the hell I get Long John Silver from?
This is how Captain D's give you the fish sandwich. And believe it or not, it's even bigger than this, like longer. So that's why I came up with making it, you know, having the fish long like that.
You want to taste this? You want to taste it? Yeah, family, I'm tired. No, not tired of eating. I'm tired, just tired. Work long today.
Yeah, long day at work? Yeah, Richie works about 12, 13 hours a day. But the good thing is that it's only 3 days a week. That's good. You want Chick-fil-A sauce?
Yes, please.
I'm putting it right here. Okay. So.
Alright.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it.
I want to check more. Yeah, family. It was rough today. I ain't gonna cap. This fish tastes good. But you know, when it's time for this, my mom don't get tired.
Oh, your mom don't get tired?
My mom don't get tired when it's time to eat. Family.
Sandwich, good man.
This is nice. That's how I was going to talk, you know? Y'all trick me. Y'all always do that. When I say I'm not going to talk, y'all still let me talk. You know what? I'm not going to talk. Next video, I'm not going to talk. Do you like when I don't talk?
Oh,
let me see what they say. Let me see if y'all like when I talk. They ain't gonna say nothing. If they don't comment and say nothing, let's stop talking. This time is so good and so. This what? Oh, what make something? This sandwich is so good, and family, fill in the rest. This sandwich is so good, and what? Anybody get it? It's a shout out. Say it again, right here. This sandwich, I always say it. This sandwich is so good, and what? If y'all pay attention, y'all know what I'm talking about. We always talk about that. Right, Renee?
This ain't Key West catch of the day.
Let me see if they figure it out. What I'm talking about. One more time. This sandwich is so good, and also finish it. Let me drink my body over. What's that name? Refreshing. You know you ever drink something and you feel like you never drink?
Yeah, dance, man. Guys,
I thought you no more Chick-fil-A sauce, come I need more.
Stop. No, man.
What you said call the family for? What you say guys for? What you calling for?
For that kind of napkin, honey? Please.
Yep.
Well, it's done.
Napkin done, man.
Wow.
Oh, napkin that we have from a long time, man.
Yeah, it's been there for a while. Like, I mean, like, we have it for mukbang.
The next one here. Here, one bite. I gave you a piece already. I'm gonna give you a piece more. Take it. Take it. Don't be scared. Here. All right. I tried.
I was gonna make some hush puppies to go with this. I didn't feel like it. Too much frying. Fried fish, fries. Too much. I didn't want too much fries.
You know, I'm making a long time.
What?
RFC, but I'm taking a break from it.
You're not craving it.
I ate too much KFC in Dubai.
He did.
I ate KFC like 3 days straight, family, because it tastes just like Jamaican KFC. I'm not even gonna lie. The chicken is spicy. The French fry is just like Jamaican. I want to see if it's like Jamaica. I guess when you go to a different island, their stuff is different. Cause American KFC is nasty.
When you go to different countries.
Yeah. American KFC, bad.
But American KFC is like on a scale of 1 to 10, it's like a 4. Sometimes you can get it like a 6 or a 7.
It depends.
But that's sometimes. It's not consistent. But Jamaica or Dubai, every time. Because we'll be in the mall, as you guys saw in the video. You know, we want something quick to eat. And he'll get KFC. We went to like 3 malls. But the other malls, then, just a regular small mall. And, you know, it's not going to be that interesting. But we brought you guys to the big mall. And every time we went to a mall, it's like, come like Ceviche, we just hooked on KFC. It's like you can just spot it. But
it was good, family.
You know what I like about Dubai? Is they have everything written in their language, and then right next to it is English. I'm pretty sure other countries do that too, but I like that.
For real.
So if you want to drive there, you don't have to feel like you're gonna get lost.
Excuse me. You done anything with your hat?
We went out for the first time like to a place where we sat down and ate. Nothing big. We actually went to Hooks the other day. And we was like, this is not Dubai. We have to pick up our plates and clean them after ourselves. Right, Tom? You cannot do that in America. I mean, you can. But people gonna look at you like side eye, like,
Family over
sure
there.
have no home training.
They do everything for you. They don't want you to do nothing.
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 My allergies is acting up, guys.
Nothing, family. Man, first they looking at you just like, what? They didn't want you to come out the seat.
It's because the weather. First it's hot in Florida, then it's cold. Then it's hot, then it's cold. Stop it!
Yeah, it was cold today.
Yeah.
And then it got hot. With the tripping.
Woo. Woo.
You full?
Yeah. Wow. This is the first time we ate all the fries.
I'm hungry.
Oh, you still have sandwich? Your sandwich just fall apart, man.
I love my family. If you eat a sandwich and it don't fall apart, I mean that's not a sandwich. Right, family? If you eat a sandwich and it doesn't fall apart, that means it's not a sandwich. It's a sandwich didn't fall apart. It's good. Love it.
But it's a big piece of fish I gave you tuna in both of them.
Done. I'll put fish right
Oh my gosh.
in.
Oh! We're already out of the video. Well, not out of the video, but we're already like ways in. These gas prices, they need to stop. Okay? You can't go anywhere.
Wow.
Can I have sauce for Sugarfoot?
What you want?
Just, what's it called? Chick-fil-A.
The gas price of them is crazy. What's
can't go
your
anywhere.
gas price? Wow.
You gotta go to work and back.
Can't go nowhere.
Trust me, when Corona was going on, if they wanted to keep people in the house, just raise the gas price. Because people would be like,
That's what you should have did.
People would be like, I'm not going nowhere. Not with this gas price.
Comment down and let me know what your gas price is gonna look like over there. Cause over here ain't no joke.
It's like $5.50.
I roller skate everywhere now.
You roller skate? He got some new skates. You gotta show him that you know how to roller skate.
Probably, I'm nice. I can roller skate real good. I can do tricks and all. I'm gonna show you how to roller skate. When me and first lady were roller skating on the road.
You gonna show them that you know how to flip too?
Yeah, flip no more. I got elbow and something. I told them I was a good flipper already. They said they wanted to see.
Yeah.
This is good.
To me, they don't believe me because when the last time you flipped, she was young. Vincent knows you can flip, but not Tamia.
Family, can't flip again and pop me look at us. The day I climbed that coconut tree, family, I thought I was gonna pass out that tree. I was scared as hell. You showed the video, right?
I don't remember.
You did insert the video.
I think so. I think so. Wow. We ate it all and the fries. That's a shocker.
You was hungry today. Alright, family. When you hear first lady do that, she didn't say she full today. See that? Alright, what I got for y'all today? Family. Family. Viewers. Everybody. Share. Alright? We got something good for y'all today. First lady, listen to this.
I'm listening.
Family. Never forget who ignored you when you needed them and who helped you before you could even ask. I'm not going to read that twice because one time I said that, now you should click. It should click in your head.
What?
Click, because I know a lot of them can relate to that. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all. Thanks for rocking with us, you know. And if you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. And there you are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course. Bye.
Wow. That was delicious.
The food is done right when you come home, just like you like it.
That's right. I'm when I come home.